Okay everyone, let's dive deeper and deeper. Some of you may ask why I ended the lessons 5 minutes. I want to make this course like that. You can learn Python but spending 30 minutes per night, not a lot of times. I don't want to make big courses like you need to program 8 or 9 hours a day. I want to make it fun like how I learn, not using courses like consuming or time a day or weeks or some of the boot camps. I don't like them. I like learning easily, and I like a lazy person little by little. Or if you want, you can watch 20 video a day. That's also a good point. You can watch 20 or 30 video every day. That's not important. That's a matter how do you like to learn. I like to learn like this. If you want, you can learn like that. Okay, let's do the thing we are doing. Now we split our data set and we have our data set split. Now we must fit the model. Okay, let's go and copy the fitting model. This is the not linear, we are going here. Okay, let's say training the model, run it. Okay, you remember this code from the past? I say we have 2 lines of code. Let's see what code 1 do and what code 2. Not here, it's here, I think. We have code 1. What is the difference between code 2 and code 1? For saving model, you can use common code instead of the code from the code 1. It's a code for saving the model. We will using it here too. Okay, let's go, and you also know what this thing is doing. Let's just fix it a little bit. What do you mean of fixing? Let me just tell you. The k neighbors and the x train, y train, they are not like this. The x train is like here, the y train is here, the x test is here, the y test is like that, and let's make the y pred like that, make the y pred like that, then run it. Okay, as you can see, the errors are very low. We have 0 error. What does 0 mean? Is acceptable for you or not? What do you think about the 0 error? Sometimes you must be very important to look for zeros. Why? Sometimes zeros means you are overtraining. The model is fitted on your data, not on the worldwide data. That is too important. I more like this error than this 0-1. But this is good that the model predicted it 100% accurate. But I like these errors. These are better, I think. More makes sense than 0. But 0 is also perfect. Sometimes the 0 is the answer, but sometimes it is overtrained. Okay, we train our model with the errors. Now the code is done. But what we forgotten to do? Let me tell you. If we want to save these models, what should we do to save all these models and plot them? We will do it in the next lesson to learn how to save them and plot them. The plotting them is really easy. We can just copy and plot them here. Let's plot them and save them in the next lesson. Just me. Okay. Neighbors, error, and done. As you can see, we have the lowest error for, we have the highest error for 3 and the lowest error for 8, 9 and 6. If I can draw a line, I prefer this low errors, they are good. I prefer 6, 8. These are very low errors. This is a good number also. 7. Okay. This is it for this lesson. Let's try to save him in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe.